Moving on from the client-based security concerns, there are important server-based security issues that should be addressed. One of the major issues with server-side is the data flow control. Data flows between systems, across networks, over secured and unsecured communication media, and internally between processes on the same systems. Data should be protected in all its states, and in this case, data must be protected while it is in the transit state. It is not enough that a server provides a fast and reliable data flow, but it should assure the confidentiality and integrity of the data, which could be achieved with hashing and encryption. Data flow control also ensures that the receiving end does not get overloaded, which could turn into a denial of service. Data flow control is usually provided by the networking devices, such as switches, and by the networking applications. Many organizations use a big amount of data, and securing the database is important to ensure that confidential information doesn't get disclosed. There are several topics related to the database, which are aggregation, interference, data mining, data warehousing, and data analytics. Aggregation is the ability to use a query language to combine records from one or more tables to create useful information. The main security issues would be if an attacker is capable of collecting low-level security items, then create something of a higher security level from them. To counter this issue, access to aggregate functions should be controlled. Interference is similar to aggregation, where an employee with lower-level access could be able to access high-level information by collecting several low-security level items. The difference is that the employee is capable of achieving that by deduction, rather than by mathematical abilities. To counter this issue, the administrator can limit the employee's access to information, where partial access is granted. Data warehouses are databases storing large amounts of data, which are managed and used by specialized analysis techniques. This data includes operational as well as historical and archived data. Data mining allows analysts to search through the data warehouses and correlate information that they are interested in, such as forecast information that helps in setting plans for the future. These activities allow for the generation of metadata, which could be very important. Access control should be delicately configured to ensure the safety of the data warehouses and the data mining activities. Data analytics allows an organization to extract useful information from raw data, which is being referred to nowadays as big data. Due to its size, big data analysis can't rely on traditional tools and techniques, so high performance achieved by massively parallel or distributed systems has become the solution. Parallel data systems allow several database-related activities to occur at the same time, with the capability of dividing activities into subtasks and then distributing those tasks on different systems. The main problem with these systems is the complexity of their management, which could cause unexpected issues or risks.